Up YouTube, that's the barber here. Mini candy unboxing. Been waiting for these for at least 2 months. Drop on AliExpress. I don't need that. Baby. I actually did a haircut with these, but I want to show you guys. That Fanteco blade. Smooth. Cuts through bulk like butter. Just push it up a little bit because it has a really big gap when you first get it. You got your guards. You got your 0, 1, 2, 3. It goes up to guard 6. I don't know about 7 or 8, but that's what they give us. They give us a charging stand too. It's real nice. You got your cable for charging it, USB-C, screwdriver, its own block, but this machine, man. Jucai did the thing with this. I need to get you one.